What's up guys, Aaron Bennett here. In this video talking about Bitcoin, I just want to show you some charts, what's going on with on-chain analytics. But first I want to start right here because I think this is very important how I look at Bitcoin. Odell on Twitter says there is a limited amount of Bitcoin. Adoption will occur as people are censored and debased, which I think is going to happen more and more. As adoption increases, so will the demand for Bitcoin, and as the demand rises, so does the price. And regardless of what's happening in the economy or in the world or with wars or with anything else that's affecting the price of Bitcoin or equities, this stays true. There is a limited amount, and as more people are censored and more people see the value and need of Bitcoin as being the best store of value in the world, more people will come over and the demand will increase and the price will go up. So in this video, I want to share a few different charts. This one is the unrealized profit and loss. And here it says the Bitcoin coin supply has returned to a net unrealized profit. This means that if we take a view across the entire holder base, meaning the Bitcoin holder base, the average unit of Bitcoin is back in the green. That means the average price that people bought Bitcoin is profitable. This is very, very important. It says that this follows a period of financial pain equivalent to all prior bear market cycle lows. And if you take a look at the chart right here, the purple is net unrealized profit and loss, and it has crossed into the green, as you can see here. So the last time it crossed into the red was going to be early 2022, when we saw the end, essentially, of this bull market. So now we are back, and this is a sign, or one of the signs that could mean potentially that the sentiment has changed. And this chart shows a similar thing. It says Bitcoin is trading back above the cost basis of the average holder, which is $19,700. This orange line is the realized price, and the black line right here is the actual price of Bitcoin. So we have crossed this line, is what they're saying. So I want to finish the video going over this tweet from Glassnode. It says the concept of realized and unrealized profit and loss is one of the most powerful in Bitcoin on-chain analysis. Unrealized profit loss indicates the total USD value held within the Bitcoin supply. He says this model normalizes it by market cap, allowing us to compare the magnitude of the euphoric bulls and the brutal bears. And he says that this 2022 bear market has been as severe as 2015 and even 2018, which I was there. I was around for both, actually. I was buying Bitcoin back in 2013, and wow, those were really, really bad and challenging bear markets. And what this profit and loss chart shows is it reflects the, again, USD value that investors locked in, comparing their acquisition price to the price that they sold their Bitcoin. And he finishes off saying that bulls tend to peak with 7 times more profit than loss, and bears often bottom with 2 to 3x more loss than profits. So all of these charts are showing that we have essentially completed a historical bear market. What happened in 2022 is incredibly similar for a lot of different metrics than what happened in 2015 and 2018. Now, do I think that we are not going to go lower, that we have hit a bottom, that all of the sellers are exhausted, and there is not going to be any more downward movement? Personally, I would bet that no, we are going to go lower. We are going to see Digital Currency Group and Genesis file for Chapter 11. We don't know how many things are interconnected within that, how many dominoes could fall from that Chapter 11. We don't know the ramifications of another big shoe to fall in this bear market, and the Fed may continue to increase interest rates, and that will affect Bitcoin. So I'm by no means saying that we are at the bottom and you should throw all of your stablecoins that you have on the sideline into Bitcoin. We really don't know. But I love these charts because they give perspective on what is happening. And again, I will just end the video with the fact that adoption will occur as people are censored and debased, and this adoption will increase demand, and demand increases price. So ultimately, what happens in the short term does not affect how I see the price of Bitcoin going in the long term. Fixed supply, fiat keeps printing, all government currencies keep inflating away and Bitcoin is fixed. So with that, guys, go ahead and pick yourself up a hardware wallet if you don't already have one. I know I show these on all my videos now. There's a link below to Ledger. And if you want a cute little case, this is a little case that you can store your Ledger in. So links for both of those will be below. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now.